After you watch this video, you're never going to want to throw away your pallet wood ever again. I'm going to show you a simple wood project that after you make, everybody's going to want. Let's get into it. Alright, to get started, you're going to want to grab a piece of scrap plywood. I got a piece right here. I'm just going to cut into it 10 inches maybe, and that's what we're going to use. You can make this whatever size you want. Mine ended up being 14 by 10. All right, now we'll give it a little massage just to knock off the splinters. Then we'll paint one side of the board with black spray paint. And we'll let it dry. All right, now we're gonna get our pallet wood and we're gonna rip 4 strips 2 inches wide. Drop in the comments below if you know what wood that is. Now we'll use our pallet wood and make a frame around the piece of wood that we painted black. So I'll be cutting 2 pieces at 14 inches and 2 pieces at 10 inches, and with a 45-degree bevel on each side. Now we'll just use a hammer and some finishing nails and we'll tack these pieces of wood to the side of the black piece. And I'm going to make sure this unfinished side is facing up so it looks more rustic. Alright, there we go. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Alright, now you're going to trace out your favorite animal. And then we're going to make like natural lines. And now you can cut through those lines. All right, now we'll just take our pieces of paper and tape them to our pieces of wood. Now I suggest using tape rather than glue so you don't mess up your surface and you want to sand off the glue. So you don't mess up the surface because we're going to want that rustic, because we want this rustic feel. Now we can just cut them out with the bandsaw, jigsaw, or scroll saw. All right, we got all the pieces cut out. Now it's like a puzzle to put it back together. Now we'll give each of the little pieces a massage and place them in our frame. Then using Tight Bond 2, we'll glue all of the pieces down to the wood. Well guys, I had a really fun time making this project and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I hope this encouraged you to go out and take apart one of your pallets and make this out of it. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all next time.